21 Lessons for the 21st Century by Yuval Noah Harari. This book is about the information overwhelm and muddy waters of the online world and confronts the most urgent question on today's global agenda. Humans think in stories rather than in facts, numbers, or equation, which is why the communist, fascist, and liberal stories of the 20th century were so powerful. The simpler the story, the better it is. While the 21st century introduces new stories and classes, that of human, superhuman, and artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence gets more sophisticated, it will classes of humans, superhumans, who are augmented by technology. The author argues that the better we understand the biochemical mechanisms that underpin human emotions, desires, and choices, the better computer can get at analyzing human behavior, predicting human decisions, and replacing human professions such as bankers and lawyers. Accident happened due to the alcohol abuse, speeding, and distracted drivers. Self-driving vehicles have none of these flaws, and eventually we will see self-driving cars. Those who own the data own the future. Harari makes the point that it is easier than ever to talk to his cousin in Switzerland, but it is harder to talk to his husband over breakfast because he constantly looks at his smartphone instead of at him. Regarding the environment, unless we dramatically cut the emissions of greenhouse gases in the next 20 years, average global temperature will increase by more than 2 degrees Celsius, resulting in expanding deserts, disappearing ice caps, rising oceans, and more extreme weather, such as hurricanes and typhoons. Regarding immigration, there are 3 basic conditions or terms. Number 1, the host country allows 2 immigrants in. Number 2, in return, the immigrants must embrace at least the norms and values of the host country, even if that means giving up some of their traditional norms and values. Number 3, if they assimilate to a sufficient degree over time, they become equal and full members of the host country. Regarding war, today information technology and biotechnology are more important than heavy industry when it comes to a war. When 1,000 people believe some made up story for 1 month, that's fake news. Regarding education, much of the kids what learn will likely be irrelevant by 2050, which means that kids really need to learn is adaptability, learning how to learn, resilience, curiosity, critical thinking, problem solving. The last thing teacher needs to give her pupils today is more information, for they already have far too much of it. And instead, students need the ability to make sense of information, to tell the difference between what is important. In a world deluged by irrelevant information, clarity is power. 21 Lessons for the 21st Century is a loose collection of essays which was on New York Times, Bloomberg, and everywhere else. The author suggests that technology could reduce the availability of paid labors for humans, creating millions of spare people. This book looks to the current human condition and deconstruct everything we think we know, believe, and live by. The first thing you need to know about yourself is that you are not a story. Starving children have no liberties. People rarely appreciated their ignorance because they lock themselves inside an echo chamber of like-minded friends and self-confirming news feeds where their beliefs are constantly reinforced and seldom challenged.